Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure keyword cannibalization fixes in Semrush step by step clearly. Open Semrush and log into your account. Navigate to the SEO section on the sidebar. Click on Keyword Gap to access the tool. Enter your domain and up to 5 competitors' domains. Click on Compare to generate a report. Review the list of keywords in which your domain and competitors are ranking. Identify keywords where multiple pages of your site are competing for the same position. Export this data to analyze it more thoroughly. Next, go to the Site Audit section in Semrush. Enter your domain to initiate a new site audit. Once the audit is complete, navigate to the Issues tab. Look for keyword cannibalization among the listed issues. Click on this section to see which pages are competing for the same keywords. Analyze the pages identified to understand how they overlap. Decide whether to consolidate content, optimize individual pages, or use canonical tags. If consolidating content, identify the strongest page based on authority and relevance. Redirect the weaker pages to the stronger one using 301 redirects. Optimize the content of the remaining page to target the keyword effectively. Update the internal linking structure to direct traffic to the optimized page. Rerun the site audit after making changes to ensure the issue is resolved. Monitor keyword rankings over time to assess the impact of your changes. Continue to refine your strategy based on ongoing analysis in Semrush. By following these steps, you can effectively address keyword cannibalization issues in your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.